Ann Trexler was going to pay her X amount of dollars, and she was going to see to it that Ron was done away with. He was killed.
Ann's lawyers argued that the entire case came down to her word against her hairdressers.
You have to decide who you're going to believe in this case. Are you going to believe a church-going, honest, law-abiding woman, or are you going to believe someone that's an admitted cocaine addict?
On May 10th, the prosecution called Kim Miller to the stand. As the packed courtroom listened, Kim explained how Ann had told her about the ongoing custody battle with Ron
Try having Stefan killed.
Kim told jurors that the price they had finally settled on was $10,000. As proof, prosecutors presented Ann Trexler's financial records. Ann had withdrawn close to that amount from her retirement plan and her credit card just weeks before the killing.
$7,400 had been taken out in this time frame of the 401k. 20-something odd $100 were taken out of the credit card account within a few dollars of loose change that roughly added up to be about $10,000.
Next, jurors were presented with phone records showing that Ann and Kim Miller had called each